Hello, welcome back to my channel, Smart Idea TV, where we look at how to make money online and offline the smart way. Today, we want to look at one of the ways to make money online in Nigeria. And there was a video I did previously talking about 7 different ways to make money online in Nigeria. And one of the ways I mentioned was forex trading. Today, I want to quickly look at forex trading and one important ingredient of forex trading. Forex trading is an online business or investment whereby you trade currencies simultaneously. You buy and sell at the same time. However, forex trading is getting very popular in Nigeria. So many people are going into forex trading online. A lot of people are trading forex. But the question that most of these people ask is that which of the brokers can they start trading with? It is a known fact that you cannot trade the financial market or forex trading without a broker. It is the broker that regulates how you trade. They create a platform for you by which you trade the financial instrument. So today, I quickly want to look to answer these questions of the best forex brokers to trade with. In Nigeria, there are so many forex brokers, both genuine and not so genuine, and even scams. There are so many scams. But I was able to look at 7 of these brokers that a lot of real traders are trading with, and I'm going to look at them not in any order of importance. I'm just going to list all of them from 1 to the 7th, but I will urge you, I'll implore you to stay till the end, to watch this video to the end, so that you get my recommendation on the best platform, the best broker to trade with, because this is the broker that I personally trade with, because I don't tell you something that I don't do. I do forex trading, and I know the #1 forex broker that I do business that I trade with. I will tell you. Just wait. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Don't miss any part of this video. If possible, just try to watch it and watch again, so that you understand what before you go, before you invest your money, you should know what you are investing your money in. Also, note that I list these brokers on the basis of how regulated they are, because most the brokers I listed here are regulated by the Financial Regulatory Authority in Nigeria and their country of origin, where they started these brokers. #1 today that I want to look at is Forex Time. Forex Time is also called FXTM. A lot of people know Forex Time as FXTM. Their minimum trading account is 2,000 naira, just like about $5. It's 2,000 naira. Then the second one I'm going to look at is ALPARI. ALPARI is one of the oldest forex broker in Nigeria. They've been in Nigeria for a very long time. When I started forex trading, I think I started with them. They have 0 naira minimum trading account. You can start with them also. HOTFOREX is the third one I'm going to look at. They have $50 minimum trading account. They are also very good. Then #4, HOTFOREX. HOTFOREX is they have minimum trading account of 5,000, about 2,000, $5, about 2,000 naira. Then the 5th one I'm going to look at is FOREX. FOREX have also minimum trading account of $5, about 2,000 naira. Then #6, EXNESS or EXNESS. Some people call it EXNESS, 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 and they have minimum trading account of $1, which is about 400 naira. Then #7, the 7th one we are going to look at is ALPARI, which they have a minimum trading account of $100. So you want to do forex trading, just any of these 7 we do But like I promised, my number one recommendation of all these brokers, the one I use personally that I can vouch for, is HOTFOREX. HOTFOREX. They are very genuine broker. They have offices everywhere in Nigeria, and you can always walk into their office just to talk to them. They are very open, they are genuine. I've been trading there. My mentor in forex trading, talking about Abiola of Pips Arcade, personally use HOTFOREX. I've started using them. I've never regretted using them. So that is my number one recommendation. I don't know of others. I've used ALPARI, but I don't know of others. But I only recommended them based on what people were saying, those who are using them have said. But my number one recommendation, if you want, is HOTFOREX broker. You can. They have so many servers. Their server, they don't have downtime. They are very fast, they are efficient, and they give you record. They give you your account statement on a daily basis. That is the number one thing I like so much about them. They give you on a daily basis. You can always get your account. You don't wait till the end of the month before you get your account. And two, if you want to withdraw your money, it's ASAP, as soon as possible. Once you just click withdraw account and you see your account, you can withdraw account and you'll be happy with it. So before I go, if you have not subscribed to this channel, consider subscribing now, so that when I release other genuine important videos like this, you'll be the first, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified. Press the like button also, so that it will go a long way to help this channel. Once again, before I go, consider subscribing if you have not done so. But if you have done so, just make sure you press the like button, so that when next I release videos, you will be the first to be notified. Until I come your way again, remain financially smart, and don't forget, we can all succeed together.